Want to add B-roll in CapCut PC to make your videos more dynamic and professional? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to overlay B-roll footage on top of your main video while keeping the original audio playing in the background. First, open CapCut on your PC and create a new project. Import your main footage along with the clips you want to use as B-roll. Now, drag your main video clip into the timeline. This will be your base layer and will typically contain the primary visuals and audio, like someone talking or giving instructions. Next, find the clip you want to use as B-roll. B-roll is usually visual footage that plays over the main clip while keeping the original audio running, like product shots, cutaways, or scenery that adds more context to what's being said. Now, click and drag the B-roll clip directly above your main video in the timeline. CapCut will automatically create a new track above your base layer, similar to how layers work in Photoshop or Canva. You can trim or cut the B-roll clip to match the timing of the part of the main video where you want it to appear. Now, when you play the timeline, you'll see your B-roll footage appear visually on the screen while the audio from the main video continues underneath. After the B-roll ends, it will automatically cut back to the original visuals. You can repeat this process with multiple B-roll clips, stacking them wherever needed throughout your video. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials.